up. Everybody, wave them motherfuckers.
Airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now.
Get your hands up.
Wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now.
Well, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the bullying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the grab and the bash, and all the pandemonium and all the bad, there comes a time where you fade to the plane. And when you staring at that roll in your lap, and you hoping but the people never call you back. But that's just how the story goes. You get another hand soon after you go. And when your plans are unraveling, what would you wish for if you had one? So well played out, playing sorry. I'm on my way, so don't close that. If I don't make that, I switch my black up.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now.